In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure email in Zoho CRM. Setting this up will help you effectively manage your emails directly from Zoho, streamlining your communication processes and making sure everything you need is right at your fingertips. So, let's dive into it. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the email settings within your Zoho CRM account. To do this, locate the small wrench icon, which is the setup symbol, in the top right corner of your interface. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a menu full of options to tweak and customize your CRM experience. In this menu, look for the section labeled Channels. Under Channels, you'll find the Email option. This is where we're heading to get everything set up. Once you're in the email section, it's time to decide on the method of email integration that works best for you. You have two main options here. The first option, which is usually recommended for most people, is the IMAP POP integration. This method is ideal if you're looking to sync your existing email accounts like Gmail, Outlook, or others directly into Zoho. It offers a comprehensive approach to integrating your existing email while keeping your email activities and CRM operations seamlessly connected. The second option is the Zoho Mail add-on. This is a simplified method, which makes the integration process a bit easier and keeps everything under the Zoho umbrella. This could be useful if you're seeking a more straightforward integration inside the CRM without any external links. For those selecting the IMAP POP option, you'll need to click on Get Started. Once you do that, you will see the Configure Email option under IMAP. Click on it. Next, you will need to choose your email provider from the list provided. Zoho conveniently lists all the major email providers like Gmail and Outlook, making this part quite intuitive. Once you've chosen your email provider, it's time to enter your details. You'll need to provide your email address and the corresponding password. If you're using Gmail and have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to use the app-specific password instead of your usual one. This step is vital to ensuring that Zoho can access your email securely. Finally, you'll need to enter the IMAP and SMTP server settings. Thankfully, Zoho makes this step easier by autofilling these details for known providers, which saves you from the hassle of looking up these technical specifications yourself. This automatic fill-in ensures the configuration is done correctly and efficiently. And there you have it, a guide to configuring your email in Zoho CRM. With your email integrated, you'll be able to manage, send, and receive emails directly from your CRM, enhancing productivity and maintaining smooth communication. I hope this helps keep your workflow effortlessly organized. Thank you for tuning in.